Want to fix WhatsApp backups that keep failing or show last backup unsuccessful? First, ensure you're on a strong Wi-Fi. Mobile data backups often time out. Next, check your device storage. For that, open up your settings. Now, select Battery and Device Care. Then tap on Storage. Now, if you have space below 1 GB, you want to free up some space. Next thing you want to do is open up WhatsApp. Now tap on the three dots. From here, select Settings. Here, tap on Chats. Now select Chat Backup. Now we want to verify you're signed into the correct Google account over here. On Android, confirm backup to Google Drive is set to your preferred account and that Drive app has permission to run in the background. Next thing you want to do is force close WhatsApp. For that, exit out of WhatsApp, then open the app switcher and swipe WhatsApp away. Now you want to reopen WhatsApp and check if the issue is fixed. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.